What are the defining characteristics of Egyptian pyramids? Welcome back to the wonders of the pyramids. Today, we're diving into the defining characteristics of Egyptian pyramids. Egyptian pyramids, with their iconic geometric form, typically feature a square base and 4 triangular sides that converge at a single point, symbolizing the sun's rays. Constructed mainly from limestone and granite, these architectural marvels were built by large, organized workforces using ramps and levers. The pyramids were meticulously aligned with the cardinal points of the compass and housed intricate interior chambers, including the main burial chamber deep within, designed to protect the pharaoh's remains. These structures, primarily built as tombs for pharaohs, were part of a larger funerary complex that included mortuary temples, causeways, and valley temples. Pyramids symbolize creation and a path to the heavens, reflecting Egypt's beliefs and power. Evolving from stepped to smooth forms, they showcase architectural advances. Stay tuned to explore these wonders.